had the loveliest time. Two books that I bought today. After a year of using them and good morning. It's Saturday and we're kicking off this vlog with me going to the mall. I'm going to pick up some stuff. Also, maybe if we are lucky, I am going to sit in a coffee shop and read my book. Hopefully I can finish this. I'm halfway through and I like it. And I think this book is really helping me to get out of my reading slump this year. It's a thriller book by Charlotte McConaughey. Wild Duck Shore is recommendations by Sheila Joy. She's also a YouTuber and bookish YouTuber if you like to see her video. This book is about a man who has 3 kids and they are based in Antarctica. They are the caretaker of a locations where we keep all the world's largest seed bank. Because of the climate change, we're trying to make sure that we save all the seeds of the plants. And they're basically a researcher. And then this lady whose husband was also a researcher on this island, she came to find him, and she was washed offshore because of the thunderstorm and all that. Somehow, they seems to have a decent reason why they are on the island. They both keep their own secrets. They are not being truthful to each other. And that is the mystery that we're going to find out. I'm just halfway through, but I still feel like there's a lot of things that I need to uncover to understand what is this mystery all about. And let's go to the mall.
I've been wondering about you. They said that just one look and I'd get caught too. 'Cause there's something about you, and you know it too. All I do is think about you. Your eyes, your scent, your touch is all I dream of. Now I can't live without you. I hope you feel it too. 'Cause we are meant to be. We are meant to be. Oh, if only.
Just got back from the mall and I had the loveliest time today. I spent a good morning spending a time reading The Wild Duck Shore. I'm almost 200 pages in, and I love that the story is set around researchers and wildlife, ocean wildlife to be specific, like penguins, seals, whales. And I love this kind of background in the story. I probably should have paid attention to the secrets that the 2 main characters are keeping from each other, because that's what we need to unveil from the story. But honestly, I still can't figure out what they are hiding because I'm distracted by the background and also the fact that they actually now romantically involved. They were strangers to each other. Well, I don't know what's going on right now, but that's exactly where I am right now in the story. Anyway, this is 2 books that I bought today from the bookstore. I saw Crime and Punishment by Fyodor Dostoevsky earlier before I went to the bookstore, and I can't stop thinking about it while I was reading at the cafe. So I went back and decided to bring him back with me. So basically, I think my sister have read this book before and she has mentioned this to me, and my late father-in-law has mentioned this to me as well. I couldn't join the conversation with any of them, I think the time has come for me to actually dive into this book, and then I'll be able to join the conversation. So it's a Russian classic that was written in 1800, and it's very famous. It's beautifully written. As the reviewer saying, there were about more than 1 million people who have actually read this book and give reviews on Goodreads. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna read this book very soon, probably this weekend. And there's another book that I brought back home with me. This is a very beautiful and stunning cover. This is called The Moment of Tenderness, and written by Madeline Lengel. How to pronounce her name? Hang on. Lengel. Madeline is not so foreign for me. I've read her other book, which is A Wrinkle in Time, like a few years ago, and I given 5 star. And I've been thinking about rereading this book or any of her other book. And without planning today, I found her on the shelf, and this is the only copy that was available on the shelf. And the reason why I pick her up anyway is because the actual price written here is 174 ringgit. You can see this. I just got it for 25 ringgit. 80%. So I brought these 2 gems home. So right now I'm going to rest a little, make some tea, change my clothes, and hang out with my husband. He's playing GTA right now, so I'll be joining him to play GTA for a bit. Embarrass myself playing that because I'm never good at this kind of game. But that's that. Just a cozy, simple Saturday vibe. Oh, yay! 4 star. What is it now, Isabel? Can you believe that? An overabundance of trees on the island is a problem to you, Isabel? Really, Isabel? They're getting lost, Isabel? Missing their favorite TV program, you say, Isabel? guys, I'm actually currently doing some cleanup. My vine garland fell off last night, so I need to fix that. This is actually for tomorrow's retreat, but at the same time I'm taking the opportunity to clean up and do some decluttering of my hobby stuff, my stationeries, my journal, my painting stuff, all that sorts. Current state of the room right now. Alright, so this is my regular travel notebook, which I'm gonna make a different video of these after a year of using them and migrated from my A5 notebook. So this is my first year collections of the inserts. I have my junk journal, I have my weekly, monthly inserts here, which I'm gonna be done with it by end of this year in December, just a week to go. And I have now ordered a new inserts for the new year, so I'm gonna set it up in a different video. There's new journal that added to the collection. Okay, so these two notebooks is a different kind of notebook. It is more like a long-term journal. I haven't started them. I just got this as a gift from 2-3 months ago. It was gifted by a family member, and every day you gotta check in with yourself and answer these questions, and for the next 3 years you'll be able to see your progress. And this one, Becoming, is gonna be a longer type of journal. I think this is a journal that's gonna be with me for a very long time. It's like an archive of your self. List down your struggles, your failure or success you have encountered in your life. So this is like a life documents. I have started this before. I've started this in 2020. I think this is the year of pandemic, but I stopped anyway and start using different journal. So if you have read Michelle Obama book, Becoming book, so she has this journal created that come along with the novel. So yeah, it's not a novel, it's actually her biography. These are other journals that is now either being combined or migrated into this insert size, and I'm gonna continue to complete them till the last page. But yeah, that's my journal collections and my preparations for the new year.
All it is matters, let it in. If I could, I would be right here with you. In this world of ticking clocks, I hope I'm getting through. So close your eyes. Do you feel the same? Only thing that matters without change. I will let you into my mind's deep. The color that fall and tears that have been long asleep. The lights are out and heaven's open. We can be.
This is my journal stuff and some reading items that I'm gonna bring to my sister's place today.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. It doesn't matter that you're with someone else. That's